In today's video of Mabit Travels, it is our day 2 of our Amazon adventure.
The forest, it is a big supermarket if you have a knowledge about the land. But if you don't, it becomes really a cemetery.
Sarap. Ang lasa. Tubig. Oh, hello. Don't get scared.
Dr. Mabit Danga, a board-certified dermatologist in the Philippines. Although being a dermatologist is my profession, exploring new places is my passion. My channel is all about inspiring solo travelers, most especially women, who are hesitant and afraid to travel alone. I hope my channel will inspire you to pack your bags and see the world. If you found my channel entertaining and inspiring, I would really appreciate it if you can hit like and subscribe. This is Mabit Travels, and welcome to my channel. It is our day 2 of our Amazon Rainforest cruise, and we are now at the heart of the Amazon. Our itinerary for the day is jam-packed, all day full of exciting activities. It's about 5:30 in the morning, so we're going for a boat trip.
I have baon saging. Baon banana. My coffee.
Ayos ka, Jules! Fully prepared.
I can see the sun rising a little bit here behind the clouds.
Came from here, Manaus. We went up, and this is our second day, and we're now here. The weather is a little bit cool with a nice breeze, perfect for wildlife sightings. Aljanae is closely monitoring for signs of wildlife. Great, I bought my own binoculars with me, a must-bring in the Amazon.
If you look straight ahead 2 o'clock, you will see 2 different species of a bird.
You can really distinguish a dermatologist from a non-derm. Wait for it. Someone is afraid of the sun! It is really difficult to find wildlife if you don't know where to look. That's why having a great guide can really help. See this kingfisher? It's really hard to spot if you don't know where and what to look for. Our guide tries to explain to us the different species of birds we see here. My first glimpse of a wild tocotucan. It was true love at first sight.
You find it?
This is very nice position for a photograph. So it's very nice for you. It's open on the right side.
We all got disappointed when it flew away. We also saw a king vulture calmly resting on a tree branch, and it's about to take flight. I was so hungry. Di naman obvious, diba? After lunch, we will be walking on land to explore the rainforest, this time by foot.
The forest, it is a big supermarket if you have a knowledge about the land. But if you don't, it becomes really a cemetery.
And if you get lost here, you're totally lost forever.
Some leaves in the forest like this, they are always close to the riverside. They are like a knives. For example, this size just a slide, but when you pull this side, look, you hold the skin and it really cuts.
It is essential to wear long sleeves, pants, and socks while hiking in the Amazon, similar to Julie's getup. Kaya si Julie came fully prepared. Kaya tignan mo si ate girl, puro kagat and kamot. Naka-sleeveless pa naman and open back.
Julie.
The one we call Evas Brasiliensis produce the best quality.
Incense?
Put incense against the headache. Second, when do we need to glue our canoe? Because you know, you're making canoe has holes. You put piece of cloth, rope, jute to block, and then you
Sa mga
just fall
espiritu.
and work as a pitch. And work as a
Malis ka
pitch.
po sa katawan. Yung miskin mo.
Okay? On the left, these tree trunks, armadillos were eating here, looking for worms, looking for food, like this one on the left side here.
This is armadillo track. Where they look for food. Oh, ang dami. Sarap. Ang lasa. Tubig. Tubig no?
Just a shell.
Here's a shell. This one, Carapanauba. You will find this all over the Amazon.
This one?
For the treatments against malaria, especially. Very rich in quinine, Carapanauba. It's one of the 25 different plants we have on the Amazon. That's very rich in quinine. 10 times smaller than this. Yeah, very, very, very little, very small ones, okay? We have leaf toads around this place. They looks like a leaf.
Wow. The nest is underneath.
Underneath, right on it. There is no specific tree. They can build any tree they think is good for them.
Okay.
Put our hands, for example, or even that, we fill it up, okay?
Oh, the scent.
Yeah. So what happens is
Oh, yeah.
we have a scent in our body, which camouflage, so the animals cannot feel our presence.
How are you, Jules? Good. Tired.
After our rainforest hike, it's time to swim in the Amazon River with the piranhas.
Are you ready? Yes, let's go.
Were we scared? Hell yes. Were we bitten? Not at all. The river current is too strong for the piranhas to eat me. That afternoon, we rode our zodiacs again and looked for wild animals. Eto, may naspot na ako. Chameleon masquerading as Julie Lim.
Guess who?
Our guide is closely observing for any signs of wildlife. Right on! A baby caiman, one of our first sightings.
Can I touch?
Casal de velho na frente. Casal de velho na frente. Yes. So here.
Don't bite me. Oh, very soft.
They sound. He's calling the help for the mother. The alligators are one of unique species of a reptile that offer a mother care. So the babies remain close to the mother for the first 3 years. After that, they are driven out by the males in order to be independent. So the mother. You still guys want to swim on the river? Look at this.
No.
Very close to us. Look at the tail. The tail was eaten by maybe piranhas or other kinds of fish. It's missing part of it.
It was so calm and peaceful here. The only sound you hear is the motor from our boats. Were we bitten by bugs? Not one bug bit us, but we still brought an insect repellent with us just in case.
It's our second night of exploring Amazon forest. Ay, baka daw may makita tayong snake. Oo. Ang dami naman snake. Kahit sa hospital, ang dami.
As you can see, we cannot see a thing. We are only guided by lights coming from our flashlights.
This kind of a reptile.
We found a wild iguana. Oh, hello, sweetheart. Oh, can I try? Oh my gosh. How about this one? Oh, even the spine. Oh, hello. Don't get scared.
Do check out my next vlog, our day 3 of our Amazon cruise, where we'll be fishing for piranhas. We'll be swimming with the Amazon pink dolphins.
Iwan po kami ng mga kasama.
Up close and personal with wild monkeys.
Talaga. Roberto, do they bite?
My first time to see a sloth in its natural environment. And seeing again my favorite bird, the toucan. If you appreciated my video and this has inspired you to travel, kindly hit like and subscribe. Until next time, bye!